This is an Elgin BW Raymond 21 jewel pocket watch. I believe it's a 16S size. According to what I looked up on the pocket watch database, it is produced in 1933. Seems to run well. I've wound it up a couple of different times, a couple of different days, and it seems to run. We don't guarantee them just because we don't know what happens to them in shipping and that sort of stuff. So they are delicate old instruments, but it seems to run fine. There we can see the second hand running. It is in a 10 karat rolled gold plate case, and there is some wear on the edges. The winding knob is a little bit, has some scratches and stuff in it, but the works appear to be very clean, and it seems to run well.